Hello everyone. My name is Captain Aman. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to change my iPhone's date and time settings. And it shows, the time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions. And also this set automatically option is grayed out. So how to fix this issue? So very simple method is just open your settings menu. And then locate privacy settings. And click to open it. So here I try to access location services. And simply click to disable this option. And go back to the settings main menu. So next you can locate screen time settings. And click to open it. And scroll down so you can go to the bottom. And finally you can click to turn off screen time. So during this process they ask for your touch ID or passcode. Just complete it. After you've done this processes, and one more time you can try to locate the date and time settings. Now this time you can see this set automatically option is visible. Now you can change your date as well as time and manually. If this trick works for you, just leave a one like. And thanks for watching.